Hi everybody, I want to let you know how to change the clock on your Lexus UX. My name is Melissa. I'm a Lexus technology specialist at Northside Lexus in Houston, Texas. UX vehicles with and without navigation all control the clock through the computer, whether it's the analog clock or the digital clock on the dash. To change your clock settings, simply push your menu button down by your remote touchpad and then select Setup, and you'll see Clock right at the top. And then you can turn daylight saving time on or off depending on the time of year, and you'll see the clock change automatically. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you have any other questions about your Lexus, please don't hesitate to call us at Northside Lexus in the Technology Center.